All right, YouTube, I'm back. 4 weeks out of commission. Did a move, got COVID, sucked, vaccinated, but I mean, it wasn't that bad. I wasn't hospitalized or anything like that. So, um, it's been a long time since I did a reaction. I'm actually gonna react to actually a reactor I watch all the time, Screwface John, and he's awesome. His brother Queso is pretty awesome too. Um, but he did a collab with Easy Mill, and we all love Easy Mill, so we're gonna uh we're gonna check out this video. It's called the Righteous and Ratchet official music video with Screwface John and Easy Mill. So let's get right into it.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to
I love Screwface. He's awesome.
Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Ooh.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, I'm throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone.
Look at Screwface. Yo. Dude, I fuck with Screwface. I watch him all the time. He's awesome. He needs to do some shit with his audio, but he's good.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like all the fans, you fucked off, then it's showing up, came in righteous in a broken land. Quit all of that shit, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in the storm. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap look at top hats. A fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners until I'm fucking I'm winning. I'm full of snakes, I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm billion your bitches, I'm blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it in mouth. Send me the addy, we put it in mouth. Fuck up your block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking this a dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS, the sign and we deliver like your homies rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all gonna get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I come from the bottom with people in stars. We can be right to the rest. Hey,
Shit up is stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down to a pool of the soul. So y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she beg for the pole.
so ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. After some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick 'em with a semi, they pros. Like a mafia, eat lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
And school that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those with these shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up tu casa. So get to home and they set up your store.
Quit all of that shit, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Some bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in stars. We can be right to the rest.
Yo. All right. Well, we all know Easy Mill's the man. That dude's nasty. But I just want to let everybody know, if you like reaction videos and shit like that, go check out Screwface Sean and his brother Queso, KSO. They're awesome reactors and funny as hell. Like, they're hilarious. And yeah, so I found this out by watching actually a Harry Mack video when he had Screwface on for Happy Hour, and he told me, he mentioned that he did a thing with Easy Mill, so I wanted to check it out and share it with you guys. So let me know what you think, comment, subscribe, like, all those things, man. And we'll be back at it pretty soon. Get my house together. I just wanted to leave a quick one here for you because it's been some time, but we're out, dude. That's it.